Hello, Internet. This is Yossi from Rishon again. How you all doing? Look. I must admit that I'm being my mind is being transformed at the moment. I used to think I'm a bit sitting here in the best city in the world, Rishon LeZion, and I used to think that I'm an outsider to the United States. Now, I used to think that, only the Republicans are really good, because I'm following people, great minds like Ben Shapiro, Nick Fuentes, um, I don't know, and they seem to think that only Republicans are the really good, which it is true. Like, I mean, you look at great human rights fighters like Donald Trump or Donald Trump, or maybe, um, yeah, Cruz, Jack Cruz. Ted Cruz, Ted Cruz. Yes, yes, it's a great, really deep mind. And but I recently am discovering that also some of the Democrats are pretty good too. I recently did a video about Gavin Newsom. He's pretty good. He's like, he's a friend of Israel. He sat down with Ben Shapiro, and they had like a good talk. And so Gavin Newsom is a friend of Israel. And now I just discovered this Josh Shapiro. I thought he must be like, the cousin of Ben Shapiro, but no, apparently not. I thought, yeah, but he's a Democrat, which is very interesting. So I looked a little bit into his profile, and so look, something is- something is a bit bothering about his resume. He came to Israel to to volunteer in a kibbutz. This is this is a bit dodgy, you know. This is like people from kibbutz. They're you know a bit odd. I think they are half man, half cow. This is how think. I think because I think that they, you know, with cows, because they are in kibbutzes. Like they're a bit strange people, they constantly sit down with the cows, and they they milk them, and you know. So I don't know. Maybe somebody should look into the children of Josh Shapiro and look if you know, maybe are they fully human? I don't know. But so it's a bit suspicious. But but he is still supporting Israel, which is nice. I think it is nice. And uh, so even though he came to a kibbutz, I, we should still, give him money. So I still think APAC should give him money. Mm. But they should give him money and not think too much about it. Okay, this is my solution. I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. I will leave it there. Bye bye.